What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am bringing you something incredible. It's called Contextminds. Now I want to give a big thanks to everyone on the channel, and please keep hitting that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and if you make it to the end of this video, I have got an incredible lifetime link for you right down below. So get ready to click it. I'll click it with you and I will show you just why this could save you thousands and thousands of dollars. I'm excited. If you're excited, let me know and let's get straight in. Here we go, guys. It's Contextminds.com. All right, quick overview of the website, pricing, resources, blog, contact, and signing up from. And you've got to try it for free. I'm actually going to do that so you can see. All right. Firstly, I'm going to play this video for you.
Original content.
This tells you exactly what's going on here.
Introducing Contextminds. Contextminds is a free tool which helps you to brainstorm, research, and plan content projects.
Look how easy that makes it look.
You can create content outlines, briefs, or even a whole strategy with its powerful AI data.
Guys, if you're excited watching this, let me know down below.
Ideas and always find the right keywords for your content. So, how do you use it? It's super simple to use Contextminds, so let's go through the basics.
It's literally drag and drop, guys.
Three simple sections. You've got the whiteboard, related concepts, and concept details. Starting with the whiteboard, simply double-click or press the Add button to start searching for your initial topic. Clicking on Scopes allows you to narrow down your search scopes. You can filter by topics, keywords, trending questions, or concepts shared by the Contextminds community. And if you're logged in, you can even limit the search.
Guys, this is incredible. I'm going to show you in the demo. Stay tuned, and I will show you exactly how to do this.
We're creating content about search engine optimization, and add that to the whiteboard. If we click on it, we can see the concept details appear on the right.
Again, we're going to be doing this live together, guys.
Like search volume, suggested content on the topic, as well as the option to create notes, which are super handy if you find a piece of text you like. Now we can look at related concepts. If we browse through, we can see the search volume in the Details tab. We can simply choose what suits our project and drag it to the board. As we add more topics, you'll notice the related topics change both overall and individually when you select a topic on the map. As you add more subtopics, the AI generates more accurate ideas.
That is insane.
These suggestions are also affected by the selected.
Guys, I'm already mind blown. Let me know in the comments right now if you are as well.
Together with arrows, or place them together in groups to create a visual plan for our content. The ideas in a group can be ordered in a hierarchy, and the nodes can be indented to represent an outline of your content. Quick tip, you can even export these outlines as text documents by clicking the three dots on the node and selecting the download option. By using Contextminds to research and plan your content, you'll be making sure you tick all the right boxes for SEO metrics and coherent structure, targeting the context your audience is searching for. Contextminds works in all popular browsers as well as on tablets and phones. So head to Contextminds.com now, where you can get to work straight away for free. Thanks for watching.
Well, that's where we are, guys, and we're going to try it for free. Please stay tuned. And I'm going to show you how you can get everything that we just talked about and everything I'm about to show you for a lifetime deal, all right? So it is like she talked about in there. We're going to go over it, find the most relevant related keywords. As you add topics to your concept map, the AI suggests the most relevant ones, all right? You've seen how it happened. Create a concept map while you research. Again, I'm going to be doing this for you so you can actually see. You drag, drop, arrange, and connect ideas as you get them from a single article to an entire content strategy. Now, your personal ideas library, based on your chosen topics, related keywords, and connections, builds an AI-powered library. Helps you so it stays personal to you. Beat writer's block with the AI, all right? I know sometimes it gets hard. Even, they call it writer's block, I call it speaker's block. Even as creators, sometimes you're just talking and talking and talking and you hit a wall, all right? This helps you carry on, all right? It gives users what they're looking for. One tool to rule them all. Contextmind is ready to brainstorm when you are, and it's more than just keywords. Let's go for it. Let's click that try it for free so I can actually show you, because there's no better way, all right? We've seen it happen on the video. Now I'm going to show you how easy this can be. So welcome. It goes through all the tips, all right? That's absolutely fine. So let's go with adding on that. Start here by adding your first topic. All right, so let's go with what is the search engine optimization and add, all right? Really, really easy. I'm going to go page rank, Okay, continue to add topics into LinkedIn relationships. You got to sign up there, but right now we're using it just for free. All right, all these tips come up to show you. I've added SEO stands for search engine optimization underneath. Now, like she said, you can drag it around super easy here, right? I want to add in moz.com because that's what I want to use, all right? And you can see we can actually group these two. So it shows you the website we're going for. If I wanted to, I could group all three. If not, I can connect them. All right, let's go back let's go organic search, scroll down. I want to know, let's insert that in, all right? So organic search results, we'll add that too. So we got two different groups here. See how easy this is to actually make them, all right? I want to link it together. Name of relation, let's call it channel purpose. And it's done. Look at that. And you can move that anywhere you want. This is how easy this is. This is actually getting ridiculously easy now. If you're excited about this, let me know. And then you can save it. To get all the features, sign up and log in. Now, listen here. We've seen me show you how to use it. What if I told you I could get this for an incredible price? Let's click on the pricing at the top and see exactly what we can do. So on the website, and this is not the link down below, I'm going to show you the comparison. So when I say click it, click it. But right now, look at this. Basic is always free. You get 5 private maps, daily limit on the top and keyword, right? If you want to go pro, it's $19 a month. Remember this, $19 a month. The pro lifetime is $69 a user, all right? Everything is in pro, pay once, use forever, limited offer on the AppSumo, available again in October. Well, I can tell you right now that might be available down below. I will show you very soon. So right now, all you can do is get the $19 a month, unlimited private map, 6,000 top and keyword, 1,500 web and AI. What if I told you by clicking that link down below in 3 seconds that it's going to get you an incredible deal? Would you believe me? Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, and click. And this is where it takes you, all right, to the Contextminds page. Now, what you get with this super link is lifetime access to the Contextminds plan. Redeem your code within 60 days. So if you do buy this, which you are going to buy this, all right, make sure you click it within 60 days, all future context plans, and it is 2 months for free. That's not the free version. That's the pro version. You get 60-month guarantee money back. Unlimited related topic suggestions. All right, 6,000 related keyword and collections lookups, AI generated, 1,500 related web results, unlimited drafting, unlimited link based and sharing, stacking it for each code increases the limits of the first code, 7th code doubles, and 9,000 keyword lookups. So already 90,000 keyword lookups, 25,000 topics. Look how much we're getting compared to what we're getting here. It's actually insane, all right? Web suggestions, 25,000, 1,500 web. Like, it's just insane what you get here. And you can actually try it out for free, all right? Now, guys, you can see there's no price at the bottom, okay? Just like I was saying before, the deal is actually expired, but there's a new one coming right out. So what I want you to do, all right, is wait for this lifetime deal to come back on, which it is coming back on, and keep checking the AppSumo link, all right? Keep clicking that link down below until it comes, and wait to get that lifetime deal. Otherwise, you're going to be paying a monthly fee that you probably don't want to be paying, all right? So stay tuned. It's an incredible deal. It's more than likely going to be the same $69 for a lifetime, all right? That's a fine. It's coming back in October, so remember, keep checking AppSumo for that. That link down below is what's going to get you that deal. There you go, guys. Make sure you hit that link down below and give us a like, give us a subscribe, hit the bell, and I will see you on the very next video.